As a result of social distancing from the COVID-19 virus, the ability to conduct depositions and court appearances remotely is now available to us and gaining popularity. States have been quick to adopt waivers for the in-person requirements of administering the oath, allowing for remote swear-in via video and in some states over the phone. You should check the current regulations of your state. Notewise offers a solution for easy setup to record your remote appearances with minimal required equipment. Unique to Notewise, you will be able to directly record the audio with optional video from a video conferencing platform while mixing in your microphone. We are going to show you what you need, how to configure Notewise to record these types of proceedings, and how to configure Zoom for maximum results. There are many video conferencing platforms available and compatible, but for this video, we will concentrate on Zoom. First, you will need a broadband wired or wireless 3G or 4G LTE internet connection. It is recommended that you utilize a wired connection if possible. If you cannot and must use a wireless connection, try using a router that is dedicated to your connection. For best results, you will want a bandwidth of 2.5 megabits up-down. You can run a speed test of your internet connection by running a simple test using a free program such as Ookla or something similar. You will need an external speaker connected to your computer to allow you to listen to the live call while still being connected to the computer's headphone output for confidence monitoring. We recommend using a mutable microphone so that you can mute your mic when not speaking to eliminate the clicking from your keyboard. Zoom and Notewise can simultaneously connect to the one microphone. You will need to have a webcam and, if possible, we recommend the use of an HD camera. This camera could be the included camera on a laptop or an attached webcam. Make sure to place your camera in the best location for capturing your image. You will want your video included in the conference call as proof of attendance, and also so that the other participants have a constant reminder that you are there. Lastly, you will need a laptop or desktop computer. Your computer will need to have Windows IE, Edge, Chrome, or Firefox as the browser. We recommend a minimum of a dual 2.2 GHz or higher, i3, i5, i7, or AMD equivalent processor, 4 GB or more of RAM, a screen resolution setting of 1920 by 1080, and dual monitors. One of the two monitors can be the monitor on your laptop. You will want to have the Zoom application running on one monitor and Notewise running on the other monitor. You will need to subscribe to the Pro version of Zoom since the free version limits your calls to 40 minutes. There are some very helpful settings in Zoom that will aid in conducting the remote appearance and capturing the record. These settings can be found by clicking on the settings icon in Zoom. Under the video settings, you will want to select to always display participant's name. Under Audio Settings, you will want to select a different speaker for Zoom other than the speaker you are using for your confidence monitoring to enable you to listen to the live call and confidence monitor at the same time. Under Share Screen, you should select side-by-side mode in the event that an exhibit is displayed using Screen Share. Zoom will allow you to record your call in addition to your Notewise recording. This feature is perfect for satisfying the best practice of redundant recordings. If you have subscribed to adequate cloud storage through Zoom, you can record to the cloud. If not, there is an option to record to your local drive. In the recording sessions, you will need to set the location of your local recordings and select to add a timestamp to the recording. Because we will be recording the audio coming into your computer from Zoom, and technically your mic is going out through Zoom, we will need to configure Notewise in such a way that it will mix the two audio sources together along with the option of including the video. Go to the settings in Notewise and select Device Configuration. Under the Select Audio Device, you will set this to your mutable microphone. This could be a JAVS Nimble, P306, or could be an attached mutable microphone. Check the box for including PC audio. This will loop in the audio from the Zoom conference call with your microphone. Select your playback source as your attached speaker and select your confidence monitoring audio output as your headphone speaker output. If you want to include the video with your recording, go to the Video tab and select Screen Recording as your video device. Before you get started with your first call, we also recommend that you do the following. Make sure you're in a quiet place, away from noise or distractions. Mute your cell phone. Remove personal items from your background. Mute your microphone when not speaking so the sound of your keyboard is not disturbing to the call. The final setup will look like this. Zoom in full screen mode on one monitor. NoteWise running on the second monitor. The live audio from the Zoom call will be coming out of your attached speaker. Your mutable microphone is feeding the audio for the Zoom call as well as NoteWise. When you want to mute your audio, you will mute it at the microphone. Your NoteWise recording is your primary recording, and your Zoom recording is now your secondary, redundant recording.